You want to open this one?
Yeah.
Say, hi, everybody.
Hi.
Hi, everybody. We are going to be unboxing our Ipsy. Sorry, I just showed my address. Ignore that. Our Ipsy and our BOXYCHARM. Yeah, that's exciting, isn't it?
Mama.
Yeah. Okay, you want to start? Which one do you want to do first? Pink or black?
Black.
Black? Okay, we're going to do BOXYCHARM first. I figured I'd let the kids on with me and we could just do a live together. And yeah, we're going to show everything we got in a BOXYCHARM box. Honey, what's wrong? What's wrong? Okay, hey, slow down. First, let's read the card. See? This month is Fresh Start. And yeah, you want to hold it? There you go. There you go. This is Charlie, by the way, and this is Ace, and they're my helpers today to check out our January boxes. All right, what do we got first here? This is a Bali Bomb, sweet orange and coconut. That's it right there. We'll open all this up in a second. Oh, hold on. And then what do we got here? What's this?
What?
Laura Geller High Glow Illuminator Duo. Ooh.
Oh, Mommy.
Wow, pretty. So pretty.
Yeah,
All right, what else do we got? Ooh, what are those, Bubbles? What do we got here, Bubba? What is this? You want to open it? Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. That's what this is.
Good job, guys.
I love eye creams.
Well,
Are you going to pick that up, Sissy? Thank you. Good job. Thank you. Come on up. Oh, pick it up. You just dropped it. You just dropped it, baby. Pick it up. Oh, okay. You're going to open this. What do we got next? Ooh, a Pharmacy Deep Sweet BHA Pore Cleaning Toner. Charlie, you're booty bumping everything, aren't you? Oh, deep cleaning toner. This is the box here. Very fancy. Very fancy. Oh, look it. We got Tonya and Christina. Say hi, guys. I got the balm too. I got the eye cream. See, we're getting some good stuff. Did you get this toner? I don't use toner that often because it burns my skin. I have really sensitive skin, so I'm interested. Here, you want to hold this one? Okay. And well, last thing in the BOXYCHARM box. Oh, let's not open it. Hey, did you just put that in your mouth? Lord help me. Lord help me. Okay. Let's open. You want to open this, Sissy? Pull it. Yeah, pull it. Pull it. Wow. Ciate Lundland, the Velvet Palette. Not yet. We got to show them these first. The Ciate London, the Velvet Palette. Honey, it's okay. They just, everything is a competition with them. So this is the palette here. Oh, let's see if I can show it pretty good here. That's the palette. Very pretty. I think I'm actually going to put this in my giveaway pile because I have all of these colors already. So this is going to be a giveaway. Can I put it back in the box and then you can play with it? Okay, here. There you go. Okay, where's the card? You had all the stuff over here, lady. This was your job. You had one job. Okay, so it looks like we got a highlighter, an eye cream, the toner, a little palette, and what else? What was the last thing we got? I don't remember. I don't remember already. Oh, right here. This is a little balm. I love balms. Now, oh, this is the little Bali balm. Let's try this out right here on camera. Wow, what'd you get? He's opening the Ipsy. He's already going for it, you guys. I did get the palette. You should just gift it to me. You want it? You want the palette, Tonya? I will send it to you. Seriously, I have a huge giveaway pile. You can have it, girl. Seriously. Okay, wait. Let's first show them. This is the Ipsy bag. We're doing the Ipsy now. Ipsy bag. It says Dream on it. Ace pulled out. Wait, this one. Show them this one. This is another. It feels like maybe You okay? Bless you.
Yeah.
And if you're wondering why their faces are red, they had pizza and then they colored with markers. They got marker all over their face, and then they also had those like ice chewies because they both got their molars coming in. So yeah. Okay, so this is another Lorac brush set. Okay, Sissy, we were gonna send that to Tonya. Hopefully, Tonya, if you really do want this, you don't mind this. Oh, Tonya says bless you. All right, so we got another brush set. These brushes are so awesome, you guys. Look, Sissy. Look. Wow. Bubba, you want to try one?
Yep.
Wow, these are cool. Feel how soft it. Don't put them in your mouth. These are nice. The black ones I got, I loved so much. So I am gonna keep these. Let's not eat them.
No,
we don't need to eat them. You guys, how does it look on the camera? Like I'm using my webcam. Here, oh, it's okay. You are being a turd. It's almost bedtime for them, so I apologize, you guys, if they're being a little fussy. But that's what you get. Okay, we got a bunch of stuff dumped out over here. Ooh, we got the best brow toolkit ever. The billion. Yeah, we got the $1 billion brows. And yeah, I'm really excited about this. This is really cool. It comes with 3 tools. It comes with scissors, tweezers, and an eyebrow brush. This is really cool. I'm excited that we got this. Put this over here. Oh, what'd you get? Oh, are you telling them everything? Okay, what is this? Oh, a glow recipe watermelon glow lip pop balm. Ooh, that seems nice. Hold on, we gotta show them it, baby. So this is the, oh, who do we got here? LOL, if you want it for your giveaway, you should do that. I feel bad taking it. Hello, Jamie and cute kiddos. Oh, Lynn's on here too. Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, this is really nice. Ooh. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is super, super, oh my gosh, this is nice. I want to put this on, but I already just put that other stuff on. You want to try this? You want to try this? How does it feel?
Hey, Mama.
Wow. Okay. You want to try it, sissy? Wow. Does that feel good? This is really cool. I'm really excited. I love Glow Recipe. They're little, yeah, shout out to them. I already shouted them out right when they came in. Okay, we are getting all mixed up over here. Let's make sure we have items in the right pile here. Oh, okay. This is an item I picked. Because with Ipsy, you actually get to choose, like, you know, like, I don't know, they get to, like, choose what they, what your items are or whatever. So I chose this. It's Pixie, like, quad blushes, highlighters, and it looks like a contour. Yep, and the bubble wrap. So yeah, that's really cool. I like Pixie. Shh, not too loud. Inside voices. I like Pixie products, so that's really cool. What else? We're supposed to have 5 items in here. We only have. Oh, here we go. This is a Beauty for Real defining. Ooh, it's a mascara. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Take a deep breath. Don't chew on that. We don't know where that's been. Look at this. Show them that. Show them. Show them on the camera. Show them on the channel. Okay, oh, you're going to open it? Okay, let's show them the wand. Oh, it's a funky wand. Oh, wow. It's one of those, like, little tiny, I don't like those at all, but they're really good for the lower lash line. Those are pretty cool. Okay, so in the BOXYCHARM, we got, well, oh, here it is. Charlie's taking care of the brushes right now. We got the brow kit. We got the, I can't talk. The quad palette. We got mascara. We got the Glam Glow. We got a brush kit, which this brush kit, if I'm remember correctly, the other one was like $120, so this one's got to be up there as well. But if I had to pick who won this month, ooh, that's a tough call. Not really, actually. Ipsy definitely won this month. With this, which even though I picked, I don't think that's cheating because it's still an option. The brush kit in this one is amazing. Like, these brushes are so, so nice. And this Glow Recipe Gloss. Oh, I'm so excited about this. And the $1 billion brow kit. I can't remember how much these retail for, but they're not cheap. And then this mascara, I don't know how good it is, but that's, like, the only thing I'm not, like, super excited about. But all 4 of these are, like, so exciting in the Ipsy box. And you only pay $25 a month, so they're legit. Once I post this live, I will go into the description box and leave my code for my Ipsy and my BOXYCHARM. If you use it, I think I get like points or something, and then like you get something too. I'm not sure. But with the Ipsy, or the, what, do I have them mixed up? No, I don't. Okay. This is the BOXYCHARM. Yeah, the BOXYCHARM is okay. A lot of skincare. Wow, I know. Sissy drew on her feet. You know your child is smart when she colors on the bottom of her foot with marker to hide it. She literally colored on the bottom of her foot so that I wouldn't see it with a marker. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this child is insane. Yeah. Oh, these are pretty, huh? Who do you like better, Bubba? Do you like BOXYCHARM or Ipsy?
No.
Are you showing your toe now? Is that all you're interested in? You're like, yeah, look at my feet. My feet are cool. Let's put it down though, okay? Oh, yep, everyone sees. Everyone sees. Which one do you like, Bubba? This side or this side? Which one?
That one.
Oh, Ace picks BOXYCHARM. I pick Ipsy. Ace picks Charlie. Which side? This one or this one?
That one.
This one?
That one.
Okay, Charlie picks Ipsy too. So I think Ipsy wins this month. I just wanted to go on live and unbox these and hang out for a minute and let the kids be on. So yeah, thanks for hanging out if you jumped on, or thanks if you're watching this later on. I don't usually do lives with the kiddos because they're always a little wild, but they deserve their little moment. You know, he could be a really good influencer. You never know. So maybe someday. Are you heading out? Okay. See you later. Charlie's out of here. You want to say anything to them? Can you say thank you for watching?
Thank you for watching.
Can you say subscribe?
Okay.
Say subscribe.
Oh
Oh yeah, I got a shirt from one of my favorite YouTubers called Better Off Red, and I'm wearing it right now. It says unsubscribe. Definitely do not unsubscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Yeah, what he said. But thank you guys so much for watching. I gotta reach over the children. We're gonna end the live here. But yeah, we love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that cool YouTube jazz. And yeah, we'll see you guys on the next video. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.